Tired of high staffing costs for your HVAC design and engineering team? Our engineers are experts in industry-leading software. AutoCAD, Revit MEP, Navisworks, SolidWorks, Carrier HAP, Traintrace 700, Bluebeam, and more. Hire skilled CAD designers and HVAC engineers at up to 50% less cost, without compromising on quality. IntelMedia helps HVAC companies in the US and Canada build expert remote teams in India, working directly under your control during your office hours. Scale your HVAC design capacity with IntelMedia, your offshore manpower partner. Visit IntelMedia.ca to start building your remote team today.